Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all today, but before we get into it, I will have to say Happy New Year's to everybody that been rocking with this channel. 2025 was a big year, but 2026, I want to even go more harder, giving out information to see people win. I've been doing this for a lot of years. I just didn't jump online last year. I've been doing videos for 5 years, right? So this year, we're gonna get more in depth. I wanna see more people winning, and I wanna do more lives so I can bring people up on my lives, and we could talk about the issues and the process that they're going through on the personal side or on the business side, right? But so before we get into this video, if you want to start working on your credit, right? Let's say you have some collections, some charge-offs, some late payments, some inquiries, you could go right over to my website, which will be in the description right below this video at whoiskingshawn.com, and it will help you remove those collection charge-offs, late payments, whatever. And for all those that's in the check system, we got the letters in there for as well. Now, if you're a little bit more advanced and you're starting to build your business side, I have the business ebook as well, which you could go over there and download both of them for free, because again, I want to see everybody win, right? So we're going to talk about the Wells Fargo business line of credit. Now, a lot of times I be telling people that a lot of these banks are changing their process when it comes to approval. I had some people seen my video I did a couple years ago when I got approved for the Wells Fargo $75,000 business line of credit. Now, when I got approved, the process was a little easier, but now things has changed. So let me tell you what you're gonna have to do to get approval, right? First of all, I'm gonna let you know now, Wells Fargo is pretty tough when it comes to business lines of credit, right? Now, you definitely gotta be a member with them out the gate. Now, can you just walk in there and apply? Yes, anybody could do that, but you'll have a better chance if you have a relationship with Wells Fargo. I noticed that. I've been a member of Wells Fargo for 13, 14 years, so I have a great relationship. So a lot of times when I'm applying for business loans or anything like that, any of their products, it's easy for me to get approved for them because my relationship go back 13, 14 years. So if you're looking into getting a business line of credit, I'm just try to say this slow so everybody can understand, because I'm getting a lot of emails on this. If you're trying to get a business line of credit from anywhere from $0 to $50,000, right? This is the thing that they're gonna do. They're gonna look at your business scores. That's number one. They're gonna look at your credit score. They're gonna pull that. And they're gonna be wanting pay stubs. If you got pay stubs, they're gonna be going through your bank statements. They're gonna be looking through everything, right? That's the first step, from $0 to $50,000 if you're looking at, right? Now, we have to understand, these banks got something called bank ratings. As you see right above, the bank ratings. You need to have at least a low 5, right? You need to have at least $10,000 sitting in an account to get almost a guaranteed approval. Now, can you go in there and not have $10,000 in that account and get approved? Yes, but again, start looking up bank ratings, people. You gotta understand that this is how the banks base your approvals, right? So it'll be easier if you go in there. Now, for me, when I did it, it was a little bit more easier. I went in there and I let money sit in there for 60 days. Then I went back and applied for the business line of credit. That's a whole nother story. If you want to skip the line, we could get into that if you want me to break that down. I might break that down in a short video for y'all, because I could go through that within 60 seconds. So if you want to get over $50,000, right? Anything over $50,000, they will be pulling your personal credit. They be looking at your business scores, and your business scores, right? You can't be having no low business scores. And I'm gonna let you know right now, they're gonna automatically deny you. Your personal credit scores, I'm gonna let you know with Wells Fargo, you should have at least a 700 credit score or more. You wanna be maximizing your chances of getting your approval. So you wanna come in with at least a 700 credit score. We want to try to get these approvals. We ain't trying to get no denial. So, you know, try to have it around 700 credit score. They will be asking for a 2-year tax return. Yes, people. Yes. If you ask for 50,000 or more, they will be asking for your 2-year tax return. They will be looking at your personal credit, and they will be looking at your business credit. So, you know, my thing with Wells Fargo is a little tough to get business lines of credit, but if you do it right, you can get approval. Now, if you go 0 to 50,000, they will be asking for 1 year tax return. So, it's not that bad. I know a lot of times people might be saying, I don't have a 2-year tax return, but at that point, you will have to go under 50,000 so you can provide that 1 year tax return. But again, this is not an easy step, but you can get approval if you follow the steps. So just to be advised, they will be looking at that personal and that business credit, no matter if you want 0 to 50,000 or you want above 50,000, so, and if you want that above 50,000, they will definitely be asking for that 2-year tax return. So you just want to keep that in mind if you're trying to look for a business line of credit. Now, if you want to skip that line, you don't want to go through all these hassles, tax returns, bank statements, all these different things, you could go over to something like this right here. You could go over to FUNDBOX. Connect your business checking account with Plaid. They'll go in there. They'll see what you got going on, what kind of business you're doing, withdrawals, deposits, and they'll base approval just off of that. Now, would you be able to get that 50, 75, 100,000? Probably absolutely not, but you might could get 10, 15, 20,000, 25,000, which is still good. Another one that you could go to is CARDIFF. Now, CARDIFF is another one that will give you approval off your bank statement. So I'm gonna go skip the line and get a business line of credit where you don't have to provide a lot of documents. You could go over to those two places, fundbox.com and cardiff.com. Again, if you're looking for Wells Fargo business line of credit, again, you're gonna need documentations, you're gonna need tax returns, you need to have a relationship. It's not gonna be easy. I just wanna let you know now. So get in the comments, tell me what you think, like, comment, subscribe, but for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.